my name is Brianna. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, I hope you enjoy my videos. Today I'm going to be filming a fall makeup look, so if you want to see what I come up with, just keep on watching, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you enjoy my content. Okay, let's get into it. If you notice something's different about me, comment it down below. So today I'm going to be using this primer. This is my Bobbi Brown Primer Plus Mattifier. I got it during the sale and I'm testing it out to see if I like it. So far it's good, and it blurs and it mattifies, which is amazing. I think it costs $38 though, so it depends on your price range and budget you want to spend on a primer. So since this is mattifying and it blurs your pores, I'm just like pressing it in to get the maximum like use kind of out of it. Oh my god, I forgot my brow pencil. We're now gonna go in with my Lancome Tint Idol Ultra Wear makeup stick in 435 Bis W, and I love this. As you can tell, the Lancome symbol has gone, and this is how the product looks. The only thing about this is if it melts, if it's like in too much of like hot weather, the stick kind of broke off. I don't know if you guys can tell, like there. So I had to like squeeze it. I had to like just push it and then not lift the stick up as much, if that makes sense. Which I'm fine with because I love this product. Put the product straight on my face like this, but I've noticed working with a brush is so much better. So I'm going to show you guys how I apply this. I'm going to use my Morphe M439 and just take some product like this, just kind of brushing it on the tips, and for me it works better that way, and you get a more even coverage, and you don't have to tug in your skin as much. My tan is going away, so I look orange, but don't worry. For concealer, I'm going to be using two concealers today. I'm going to be using my Too Faced Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer and my and my Tarte Shape Tape. The Shape Tape is in medium, and my Born This Way is in warm sand. Product from my sponge, I'm gonna just we're gonna use my Fenty Contour Stick in Truffle now to cream contour. And I'm going to be using my e.l.f. like little stippling brush. And I'm going to do the same technique that I did with my foundation. I'm going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in light medium. setting like kind of the middle of my face and my under eyes with this light powder. I'm going to set the rest of my face with my Hourglass Veil Powder. Now I'm going to remove the bake. Now we have a matte face. And now it's time for bronzer. And I'm so excited because I got the Laura Mercier Bronzer Matte Radiant Baked Powder Bronze number 4. And I am so excited about this product because I used it already 2 times and I love it. I've been eyeing this product for a few months. And I got it during the sale. And look how pretty it is. Look at that. It's so pretty and I love it. It's kind of similar to my Hourglass powder, my Hourglass bronzer, but it's like more, it's not as red tone. It's more like bronze, if that makes sense. It's not like red bronze. And don't get me wrong, my Hourglass one is still my favorite bronzer because I've only used this twice. But I think this is going to steal the spot. But they're very similar. And I love like shrinking my forehead size. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I have a big forehead, so. For blush, I'm going to be using my Becca Split Pan with the Jaclyn Hill collection, but I'm not going to show you guys it because the highlight actually cracked. It's really annoying, but I don't want to throw out the champagne pop because I don't feel like buying a new one. So I'm going to go in with my Sigma small contour brush as for highlight. I'm going to go in with my Dose of Colors times Katie and Desi and Mírame. And this is how it looks. How do my eyebrows look? I use my Anastasia Dip Brow in dark brown. And then I set my brows with my Gimme Brow in 4.5. Do you think they look better than the pencil? Let me know. Because I usually use this pencil. But I don't know. I go through phases. So I used to use the powder of Anastasia. Then I got the dip brow. Now I'm using the pencil. So let me know. Oh my god, the funniest thing. So I'm going to use this palette. Can you guys see it? Yep. This palette for my eyeshadow today. And look, you guys. I'm not joking. I don't have any of the names. So it's kind of annoying, but kind of not. Like, I'm kind of over it, like I said previously. But we're going to be using, whoa, these shadows. And it's going to be all around this shadow because I want to do a fall makeup look. And I have obviously used that eyeshadow before, but I'm not sure if it was on camera or not. But if it was, it's not giving me the same look. So yeah, it's funny though because my mom, she took a picture of the back of the palette that has names, if you guys can see. So I'm gonna be reading the names off, I guess, now because I have the names. How pathetic. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I wanted to mention this to you guys. This is how I store my makeup brushes. I store them in old candles. I go in with Silk Cream, which is this shade right here. And I'm going to use my fluffy Soho brush. This is going to be more of a brownie eye look, by the way. Cream, you don't even see it on my eyelid. I just want to let you guys know. but that's just to add depth when I add darker colors. Color we're gonna go into is over here. This is Creamsicle, and I'm gonna use the same brush, so just a big fluffy brush. I just want to do windshield wiper motions and circular motions. That's basically how I always blend out my eyeshadow. I'm not sure if there's like other techniques. Oh my god, my battery's dying. I'm gonna have to take a break and come back to this. Then we're gonna go in with this color, which is Butter. And I'm going to use my Morphe M511. Now I'm going to go in with Pukey, which is this shade here. Pukey. I'm going to go in with my M511, and this is another one. Go in with this shade, Central Park. I'm going to be using my Morphe G13 brush. So I'm grabbing a little bit of that color. So I don't want the look to be too dark, but I do want to add some depth. I want to make sure though with this brown, since we already have the base, if you do your eyes after, that you tap off the excess. I'm going to put the dark color on my lower outer lid. My upper outer lid, but the lower part. Now we're going to go in with this color, which is one of my favorite colors in this palette, and it's called 24/7. I'm going to be using my Morphe M214 brush to pick up that shade. Back in with my Morphe M511 brush, and we're going to go in with Pukey and just blend out that dark shade. So just a little bit, just above, like you don't want to put it, you know? That's it for the upper. Now we're going to go down to the lower. We're going to be using my Royal and Land Nickel brush in number 107, which is this brush. I'm going to go into Creamsicle and Pukey and just put those in my lower lash line. Now we're going to go into Central Park, only a little bit, and only on the outer corner of my lower lash line. For my inner corner, I'm going to be using Mírame Highlight. I'm going to line my lips with the NYX lip liner in Natural. My Too Faced Melted Chocolate Liquefied Longwear Lipstick in Chocolate Honey. My hands are so dirty from the makeup. Please don't mind it. Oh, I haven't put this lip color on in forever, and it's my favorite fall shade. Oh my god. And the scent is like amazing. Look how cool it is when you like, can you guys see it? When you squeeze the product, it's like so bizarre. Oh, that color. And the lip liner is like perfect. For lip gloss, I'm now gonna add Sugar by Marc Jacobs. It looks like this in the bottle. Just to add like some pink to it so it's not so brown, because it's kind of blending it with my skin tone. I don't even need to set my makeup because the dew came in. But if my face still looks powdery, I would put the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray, and it like takes away all that powder look. So guys, this is the finished makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and check out the rest of my videos if you enjoyed this one. Thanks for watching. Have a great day wherever you are. Bye! It's the candle thing like this.